it's Chrissy here. This video is going to cover how to use Explaindio to brand the Pro Video stingers with your website, phone number or social media details, depending on which stinger you're using. And we'll be doing this using the included Pro Video Stinger Explaindio slide you received with your package. And this technique is for all of the stingers that have a single branding bar. As you can see, I've got Explaindio open. I've started a new project and I've added the Pro Video Stinger slide into the project. Of course, you might already have got an existing project that you just want to add the stinger to the end of, and in this case you just import the Explaindio slide into your project in the normal way. You can see the slide is only 5.4 seconds long, whereas the stingers are anywhere between around 9 to 13 seconds in length. But we can of course extend the slide to accommodate any of the stingers. So now we need to bring one of the video stingers into Explaindio. And you do this by clicking on the video tab if you're not already on there. You see video area 1 and we just click on browse and we'll browse to our computer for wherever we've got the stingers stored and choose the one we want to work with. Okay, once you've chosen your stinger and you've imported it into Explaindio, you'll see it in the preview window to the right, and as you can see it starts playing automatically. Underneath the preview window, where it says Delay Slide Viewpoint, click on the plus to delay the text appearing for a few seconds. Each stinger is slightly different, so depending on which stinger you've imported, you'll need to play around with it a bit to get the text appearing at the right moment, but 3 seconds is a good starting point for most slides. You can also go ahead and click on the plus here to extend the slide. About 5 seconds should do it, but you can extend it a little longer if you want. Okay, so you saw the text come in, but obviously the text is black and this isn't suitable for this particular stinger. So we want to click on the text tab, change the text color to whatever you want it to be. In this case, I'll just choose white. And now we can go ahead and we can put our own wording here. We can choose the sort of font we like to use and we can increase that font size if you want. Because this is a stinger that's inviting the viewer to visit a website, we obviously want to put a website address here in the branding bar. I'm going to increase the size slightly to 55. And now let's say I wanted to change the font from the font that's already there as the default font. Let's choose, for example, Breeze Serif. Now the best thing we want to do when we're playing around with it is to click on pause just at the point where you can see everything that you want to be working with. Now this text is sitting a little bit low on the branding bar, and also because we've changed the font, I'm actually going to increase this one a little bigger. And to change the positioning of where the text is sitting on the branding bar, we can change this by clicking on the X offset and the Y offset button. The X offset is going to move the text left or right depending on whether you click plus or minus, and the Y offset is going to move the text up or down depending on whether you choose plus or minus. See, it moves down when I click plus, moves up when I click minus. So now the text is sitting in a good place on the branding bar. I'm going to preview the whole stinger by clicking on the preview, the one with the magnifying glass. I think that could probably come in a little quicker for my liking. So I'm just going to change this delay slide viewpoint slightly and take it down by 1 second. I'll click on preview again. Like I said, every stinger is different, so it's going to very much depend on which stinger you choose, as to how many seconds you want to delay the slide viewpoint for, and also maybe how far you want to extend the slide as well. So now you've got the stinger branded how you want to. You can go ahead and you can save it as a project if you want to be able to work with it at a later date, or you can just go ahead and export the video to your computer, or you can actually just create a video from this particular slide. It's completely up to you. I hope that was all clear and helpful. Let me know if you have any queries, and thanks for watching.